Hey, so, yeah, I'm just gonna do this quick little vlog sort of thing, but probably the aftermath of the storm. There's really no difference. I mean, it's a hell of a lot better than last night. Got some turkeys running. Let's zoom in on them. Whoa, too much zoom. And, let's see. Yeah, some stuff flinged around. Nothing too bad, really. I don't have school again for the second day now because they canceled it last night. But yeah, I should probably get going. There's water getting on the camera. Alright. Thanks for watching this short little vlog, I guess, and bye.